Matthew here from 39D. As we start another week, we've just been carrying out a 5-computer upgrade for a client. They've moved away from these old, clunky, big, huge looking Dells that staff were waiting 5 minutes at least to boot up in the mornings. Stuff like Word would pop up not responding. Obviously, this computer is coming up for 5 years old. It's still using an old mechanical hard disk, whereas the new super small modern looking Dells now come with SSD hard drives. This new one's an i7, which means that it's got a boot time of about 10 to 15 seconds. Comes with 8 gig of RAM, and obviously that allows more programs to be run and used at once. So if you're looking for cost-saving options, one way is to upgrade your hardware, with the average user wasting 15 minutes a day on IT, slowness and software not responding. Now's a great chance to upgrade. Give us a call and we can recommend some new Dell upgrades that will allow you to streamline your business.